relationships in circles. And this reminds you that when you have two tangents or two segments that cross outside of the circle, to find this angle, you're going to subtract the two arcs and divide by 2. And I'm going to clean off the thing so you can see it. Problem is, you may look at this and say, but I only have one number. That's true, but these are tangents, so they're touching right here, which means the 250 degrees goes this way. So it's very easy to find the rest of the circle. Just subtract 250 and you get 110. So this arc is 110 degrees. Then to find x, subtract the two arcs and divide by 2. So that's going to be 140 divided by 2, or 70 degrees. Okay, again we have two arcs that are intersecting, two segments that are intersecting outside of the circle. So you're going to subtract the two arcs and divide by 2. Problem is, one of the arcs happens to be your variable. So that's okay, you can write it that way. 96 minus x divided by 2 has to give us this angle, which is 40 degrees. Okay, so to undo this, just multiply both sides by 2, and you get 80 equals 96 minus x. Now be careful, we had a problem like this earlier that some people had some trouble with. Let's move the x this way so it'll be positive. Add x to both sides and subtract 80. And we get 16. So x is 16 degrees. Okay, remember that to find these angles, just average the two arcs and you get the angle. So 152 plus 60 divide by 2 is equal to x degrees. With your calculator, 152 plus 60 and divide by 2. That's 212. 212 divide by 2 equals 106. Okay, so just by way of review, if all you wind up doing is this review, I just want to go over the example that they've given because you might not bother to read the example. So the example that they've given, let me try that again. The example they've given